Growing our own fresh organic food is an absolute joy and one of the most important gifts we can share with our family. By having control over choosing what soil we grow our produce in and selecting natural inputs, we have the option to produce some of the healthiest food on the planet. Raised garden beds offer the ideal opportunity to start our garden from scratch in almost any location. Today I'm using one of the new Holman 30cm deep raised beds, which are ideal for those deeper rooted vegetables like corn, potatoes, tomatoes and artichokes. It'll get them off to the perfect start. Installation is very simple. Once you've located your position in the garden, you can start to assemble the unit. No tools, bolts or screws are required, and it can be built in a matter of minutes. The recycled wood plastic composite panels are rust-proof, termite resistant. It's the ultimate DIY. The entire Holman raised garden bed range come with an inbuilt watering system which can be easily connected to a tap timer with a garden hose or poly pipe for automatic irrigation use. The soil's in, the reticks assembled, we're ready to plant. In these 300mm beds, we'll be putting tomatoes and corn. But Holman also produce a 150mm bed, which is ideal for our leafy greens and herbs. The modular system of the Holman raised garden beds lets you stack multiple units on top of each other or to the side for ultimate total design freedom. They can be placed over brick paving, grass or concrete, making them ideal for courtyards and balconies. We've set up our bed where it's going to receive lots of beautiful morning sunlight and protection from the hot afternoon sun. But the great thing about these raised beds is that we're able to relocate them as the arc of the sun changes between winter and summer, making sure that they're always in the perfect location. By having the option to move our raised beds, we can ensure our beautiful vegetables and herbs are always receiving enough bright light to keep them producing all year round. It really is the simplest and easiest way to grow your own fresh, clean food at home.